Hello, YouTubers. This is Lady T. Back to you again. Back to you to give you some more tips on digital products. Yes. We're back. Coming to you for the last couple of days. I have been pushing my digital products. From the last video that you watch, that'll show again at the end of this one, it was telling you on this new trend that I'm seeing that has hit TikTok. So even as I'm on still continuing my 30-day journey, I'm just not focusing so much on the YouTube portion of it, but now I'm looking more at the digital side of it. Digital products will become one of the largest, let's say, revenue sources for 2025, and they're looking for it to continue to go up over the next 5 years. So this is the best time for you to jump into digital marketing. From my last video, I mentioned that it's good to go do your own research. If you start researching, you will see the trend. You will see that everybody is continuing to talk about digital marketing, where it's going. And for some of you all, you are asking the question, where do I begin? How do I start? And I'm here to assist you as much as I can. I'm still working on adding some few items to my website that will give you just some ideas on what is digital marketing, how to get started in the game. A lot of you all are questioning. My last video, I said there was over 250 items that I was going to share with you. Well, when I took the time to go back, I was just looking at the over 250 planners. Yes, there's over 250 planners that you can sell. So when you look at the website and you're looking at the price, if you took what I have given you, over 7,500 done for you items. Let me say that again. Let me say it for the person in the back. 7,500 done for you items. That's all you're going to do is go in and change the color scheme to make it your brand. You're going to put your picture there. You're going to make those changes to make it your own. You could tweet it. You could change the font. But this is the way to get you in the game, to make sure that you are moving forward. There is so many things. If you're looking at wellness, if you're looking at exercising, there are so many different things that hit so many different niches that are out there right now that it puts you ahead of the game. If you so wanted them, just a planner, to someone who's just trying to start out and get on schedule, you could sell it to a YouTuber for $1, for $2, for $3, for $5, for $7. But I want you to really understand what I'm telling you. So this program has 7,500 items that you can sell individually, and I'm giving you a discount price on just giving you the bundle that you could do. Once you get it, it's yours. Information's inside of it showing you how to sell it, to brand it, to make it yours. And you could do like I am. You can offer it back to people as a bundle, or you can do it individual. Next video that I'm planning to show is that I'm going to take you on the journey step by step to show you how you can take one of the items and change it to yours, to whatever you are wanting it to do. So you'll see just how easy it is. Digital marketing is becoming a game changer. I want you to take the time now to think about this. When Amazon first came out, a lot of people did not buy Amazon when it was low. They did not buy Google when it was low. And all of a sudden, those stocks went up. And it was so high then that many people could not afford it. So them being able not to afford it, what happens? Then you sit back and you look and say, I should have gotten it when the opportunity was presented to me, or people talked about it so much. Bitcoin is starting to go up and down, but there's other different investments that came out that had we purchased it then, a lot of us would be millionaires now without YouTube. Are you asking me, and you might say, so are you telling us to quit the YouTube? Are you telling us to quit marketing that? I'm not telling you to quit YouTube. I'm telling you use YouTube to get you through that point that you need to get to, because it is in that point where it is that niche that you need. Whatever you're going to do, you need to be setting your audience now. So by me now talking about this particular niche that I'm in, YouTube will then push this out for me more. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm trying to push you and give you what you need at this opportunity, at this time, that it will take you, that you can pivot and you changing the game, but you're winning. So let's look at it. There's products on there that will show you how to do sports journal, wellness journals. They're different templates. I'm trying to go to it now so I could just see some of them, just to tell you what all you gonna get in this bundle. It even tells you in the first part how to get started, like with the IRS, getting your EIN number, how you need to secure your Canva account. You don't have to pay for a pro account. You can start this off free. It goes in and shows you how to give out some freebies. I mean, it gives you so many things that it lists on the website just for you to do. It gives you videos of showing you how to actually launch different projects. It even gives you the thank you page for your support and doing this. Yes, it is one of the best investments that I have done. And with all of the designing, the marketing tips that it's going to give you, it'll even give you information on leveraging YouTube, TikTok. It has all sales techniques built within it, marketing strategies for you to use to ensure that you win. We want to see you win. We want to see you win. I want to see you win. And by wanting to see you win, it works. You could take it to design different things. So I don't want you to think, oh, what am I going to do? It just gives you the idea of all the digital marketing ideas that you could do, and it's done for you. It's done for you. And let you know, okay, this is great. This is the opportunity that I need right now. This is the opportunity for those who are looking for another stream of revenue, another opportunity to grow. So if you're interested, it's going to be in the link below. I have included it in the description, my website that you can go to and look at this. I believe it's a great opportunity, not just because it's something I have, but because I know what digital marketing is doing right now. Digital marketing, for people who are starting off, you could do it faceless too, are making way over $5,000 a week. And right now, because we are unsure of a whole lot of things. This is an opportunity to help others. And you're like, where else can I use digital marketing? You will use it in your local church. Mine do it all the time. I've been doing digital marketing for years. I've always done flyers for my church. I've always did program booklets, programs. You know what else is another digital product? Well, now I ain't gonna say fully a digital product because it all depends on what it is. But it became digital when I would create even funeral programs and just send it to the funeral home and they print them. That people would actually pay me to design the funeral home programs. So I've been doing this for years. So I do know money is in it. But I backed away from it. I didn't do it as much as I should have. And now that I look back, there are some regrets that I did not push it as much as I should have. But now I'm back in that moment of ensuring that I continue this journey. So for those that are looking to start, this is for those that are looking to start. You don't know where to start. This is your beginning start. This is your beginning. This is the done for you opportunities that you go and change it, edit it to make it your own, to make it stand out, to make it unique to you, to your brand, your style, and you sell those based off of you, and they're giving you this revenue. Like I said, you could easily make over $2,000 a week. Imagine that. More than what you make on, some of you make on your regular job. So you're ending up with $8,000 a month and above. I see daily in our group that people are making $10,000, $50,000 a week selling digital products. Yes. So, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments for me. If there's something you want to see, if there's something you got more questions on the products, leave it in the comments. Or go to my website, send me a message, and let's grow together. YouTube is going to monetize us and grow us, whether it's on the YouTube side, talking about it, or the digital side. But either way, what's going to hurt you to have a leverage? You're still on YouTube, so you're still pushing YouTube. You're still marketing YouTube, but you're marketing the digital side. So you're in a win-win situation, because now you're doing YouTube, you're going digital, YouTube, digital. And within all that group, you're still using some of the same hashtags, but of course with digital, you want to attract that digital audience. The ones that's out there searching how to do digital products, how to sell digital products. And when you get that new audience, you stick with that audience, because I'm going to be honest with you, I know people constantly searching for it now, and they want to know, how do I do this? The products even tell you or give you marketing tips on how to market it on YouTube, on Facebook, Instagram. All of that is available. So take the time, get the information. And when you get this information, I think it'll be beneficial. I know it would be beneficial if you decide to jump on board. And if you do, welcome to the team. Let's grow together. Let's grow together. So again, leave me a message if you have any questions, and I will reach back out to you. The website link will be in the description. Go to my website and get the done for you. The done for you, 7,500 done for you digital products. Until the next time, be blessed.